Welcome to my channel, At Home with Carla. This is where I share my almost daily life with my pets, my family, DIY projects, and even some cooking once in a while. So thanks for watching and let's get started. I decided to get out of the house for a little bit, so I stopped over here at McDonald's. I have a coupon. I think I had to wait a whole 4 minutes for my food one day, so he gave me a coupon for a free breakfast sandwich, and then I'm just going to get a little something to drink with that. Boo Boo and I are sitting out on the porch this morning for a little bit, and I'm doing some of my stretches on my arm, and it's a beautiful, beautiful day. Hi guys, oh, my complexion looks awful out here. I don't know what it is, but I'm out here relaxing a little bit, and I have my book, so I'm going to finally get to read a little bit. So it's beautiful. I'm going to take advantage of this nice weather, and I have the porch pretty much picked up. I have my chair, my pillow, Bella's out with me. I couldn't even get to the first page, and already the mosquitoes are after me. But I went in and grabbed my Thrive oil, some Thrive, and I'm going to see if they love it or hate it. Maybe I can still read yet today. My physical therapy, and it's pretty rough on me today, but it has to be done. Oh, my peonies are opening up. How nice. Being a very good homemaker today, and I'm cleaning out the refrigerator and cleaning the glass really good. I didn't know they came out so easy, but they do. So I'm getting them all nice and shined up. But one thing I'm not very good at today is drinking enough water. So I'm going to drink a lot of water while I clean out my refrigerator. Good afternoon. My cupboard is a little bit packed. I got some things going on here, but I'm going to make some scalloped potatoes with a gratin, however you pronounce that. I'm sure I pronounced that wrong. And then I have some zucchinis here I'm chopping up, and then I'm just going to fry them first, and then I'll put in the potatoes in a little bit. Yeah. Little stone mill seasoned salt. There's some more for you, little pot, little pan. It's quite a bit, but it will melt down in with some butter. And all right, they're cooking up pretty good. They're getting softer. Pop an onion, so I'm gonna put those in. Give it a little extra taste. And I added some carrots, peas, and corn. Well, by accident, I think this is the best meal I made in a long time. It was so good. I hope you'll try it. It's fantastic. Afternoon. Bella and I are out on the porch. She's getting some greens out there. I'm airing out some of the blankets in the camper. And I put the rug out here for now to air that out. And not too much else going on. It's a beautiful day. It's not too warm, not too cold. Just enjoying the weather and working. I've been working out in the camper for probably 2 hours and trying to get it cleaned up. Guys, I'm back. I'm out on the porch. Like I said earlier, I just took a shower and I'm having an ice cream bar. Very good. It's light and kind of light and fluffy. Hope you're enjoying your day. Well, I'm over at the park near my grandson's friend's house, and I'm picking Austin up because they all went down to Florida for about 4 or 5 days, and so that he's glad to be back home, but I had to pick him up because his mom is out of town also. So, but yeah, then we went and did a few things. Cute. I had some things that I wanted to donate out here at the Humane Association. And here are some birds, and we took some video of some cats and some dogs. Hope you'll enjoy. You got a little ruffle? Did you get in a little rough scuff?
I think he might have got bit.
Oh, he is a little feisty.
He or she just want to play.
Just want to play.
Yeah.
Oh, they all got happy homes. That's good. We're going to go visit the dogs at the Humane Association because we donated a bunch of stuff that we had extra. So now we're going to head in and see all the cute little dogs.
Turbo, that's a great name, Turbo. 6 years old.
It's awesome.
$19. That'd be 20. Yeah.
Oh,
That's gonna be fun.
that is. We made it back from Walmart, and his truck, remote control truck, or radio control truck, isn't working as good as he likes, so he's going to bring it back. Good thing we kept the receipt. It doesn't steer right, it doesn't go very good in the grass, but you know, what do you expect for $20? But anyway, he's going to try to get a different truck. My husband ordered this book. It's called Claire's Kitchen. She's an older lady that lived through the Great Depression, and in her recipe book, it's about a lot of things that you can make, like what do you call it? Oh, dandelion salad. You know, and she just has a lot of really neat little recipes.
When are we gonna leave?
I think in 2009 she died, but she was 95. 95. She's so sweet. She was, I hope if you can watch it, it's called Clara's Kitchen on YouTube. Yeah. Good thing we saved the receipt.
Yeah.
But we're going to head back over in a little bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that truck. That truck is gonna have to work.
Do that again.
I can't believe my mom let me go to Florida with my friend. And my mom's friend.
And you guys saw a shark too, didn't you?
Yeah, when we were in the water, we saw a shark. And the guy was like 10 yards away from a shark.
Was it a big shark or a little shark?
It was a big one because we saw it from kind of far away.
Oh my God.
So it was a pretty big one. Some friends there.
Did you?
Yeah. This is gonna be pretty fun. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Yeah, this one comes with the USB charger, and it's actually in the truck. I hope it's not dead. I have one of these, but it's broken. So now it's just like it doesn't work. I brought it out in the winter on the ice. It just doesn't work. I bet it can go up that curve. Okay, go. Oh no! It still works. Just look at that one tire. I need to see. Where is it?
We just arrived at Irvine Park. Grandpa's buying some chicken and JoJo's. Okay. And Austin wants to run.
You trying hard?
I'm trying hard.
Yeah, I wanted her to get a drink. She likes going in the water. Now you should take your shoes off. Goes wading.
Where's my feet right there? I do. Dad, I'm gonna take off my shoes. I swear to God, she's pooping. Oh, she can. Okay, good. Seriously, take you that long to pee? Or you're just trying to get a poop out? Okay, she peed. Good. Unless you just didn't go number 2. Okay, go, 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 go. No. Oh, they got crayfish here. I think that's what it's called. Ready? do something else. Hold on. Ready? That's not cool. But I know it is.
Did you see that? Your computer.
Yeah. Someone was telling me about that.
Well, I'll end here for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you will subscribe if you liked. It was a very busy day and a busy week so far, but I hope you'll have a great weekend. And we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. And the quote of the day is,